4 cups of normal water. Okay. This is 600 ml water.
Okay. We open this and we put in the water.
We'll mix it in the water, yes.
We mix in.
This is International Cream of Broccoli soap by Knorr.
This is healthy. Healthy, na?
Yes.
Healthy. I love healthy. Smell is very nice.
Very nice, no?
We now mixed it. Nice soap. Mix. We do mix. हाँ तो ज़्यादा है.
Now we will put it on the gas
Yes. ये boil them.
to boil. Yeah.
Yes, boil. We do boil. Okay. Now ow. Let's do boil it now.
Now you can put it on.
So fastly. This mixing.
What happened?
Come here.
Now you can stop the video. बन जाएगा,
Stop.
then we'll show. Then we'll make another video. Stop.
Stop करो. इसको दबा दो. Start कर दिया.
Now you can stop.